Alright guys, just got the TranSiT Connect. So picked it up in Salt Lake, flew out here today, so I'm going to be driving back to Colorado. It's about 300, 400 miles or so. Should get back at like 5 in the morning. So alrighty, driving the TranSiT Connect back. I'm in the middle of nowhere in Wyoming right now. I think I'll get home at like 4 in the morning. So got about 200 and something miles left to go, but it's driving great. It's honestly one of the coolest, most fun, weird cars I've ever had. It drives like a Ford Focus, but it's huge. It's got like the biggest windshield I think I've ever seen. So I'm excited to get this back home, and then hopefully this week be bidding on a ST parts car. And then we'll start the ST swap on this and make this a 2.0 EcoBoost with the 6-speed manual. And it'll be a little 6-speed turbocharged minivan. Take it on the racetrack. So I'll keep you posted. Well, this thing had the latch beeping at me, which I thought it needed the recall. Called the Ford dealer. They said it already had it done, and then sure enough I pulled off this and there were self-tappers holding it in, and then the back panel was all messed up, so someone had been in there, but come to find out it was just unplugged. So I plugged it in and now we're good to go. Alright, I've been wanting to try this. So this is the leftover honeycomb mesh from the other bumper from when I did this car before I did the RS front, and then I took my Dremel, I cut it out, and then I deleted the whole Ford emblem, so it came out awesome. And then I just used some of that trim strip stuff and then put that in there, so now it's all kind of deleted, changes the front of it. So I do have some black housing headlights that'll go in, and then I'm going to delete this, and then the TB Performance crash bar will go behind there with the intercooler once I finish the ST swap. The TranSiT van donor has arrived. I just drove the donor Focus. It's got a lot of good stuff on it. I already see upgraded motor mount, intercooler, intake. It's got a nice exhaust on it. I think it's got the Brembos. Looks like it's also on coilovers, which is great. ST3. Got some carbon stuff. I need to get a shift knob. It's also got some cool goodies under here. Yep. Nice exhaust. MBRP. So I'm excited to use this. This is all going to go inside of the TranSiT van, which is going to be really cool. It's missing a shift knob. Good thing I've got this one. Nice. Fixed it. And just like that, we got it on. There we go. Alright, the manual tire changers for the win. I unmounted the bottom two from the old ST tires, or wheels. And then just moving around stuff to get started on the TranSiT Connect swap. So I got the donor Focus backed in, so that way I can have everything out of the way and still, be able to work in the garage. But I'll start taking this one apart, labeling everything, all the wires like I normally do. And then once I get this one apart, I'm going to move the chassis back out into the driveway. And then I can start actually putting everything into the van. So the first step is to get this car blown apart. And then the next step will be to blow apart the TranSiT. And then I'll be throwing all of the stuff from this in the TranSiT van. It should be a good time. I might have a problem with focuses. I have a focus problem.